Welcome back. In previous video, we have learned how to install Kubernetes cluster using Terraform. Today's video, we will diving into the world of Kubernetes manifests, labels, and selectors. If you are new to Kubernetes or looking to enhance your understanding of these contents, you are in the right place. So let's chat. Let's understand first what is a Kubernetes manifest. Kubernetes manifest are the YAML or JSON file that describe the described state of the Kubernetes object. A Kubernetes object can be a pod, deployment, service, or any other resources managed by the Kubernetes. Manifest are used to define the configuration, specification, and behavior of the objects. Why use Kubernetes Manifest? Manifest provide a declarative approach to the managed Kubernetes resources. Manifest is the declarative approach. Declarative approach means in a file we write our requirement and then it will apply. And the imperative approach means it's a single line command. Then enable the version control and reproductive by the capturing the desired state of an object. Anatomy of a manifest file. A manifest file typically consists of the following sections. Kind. The kind, the type of Kubernetes resources like pod, deployment, service. You can see this how to write a Kubernetes manifest file. Here we can see the kind. Kind is pod, means we are using the resources is pod, or instead of pod we can also use the deployment or service. But in this case we are using pod. Then the metadata. What is metadata? Contain information like name, label, and another information, and anatomy. You can see the here, this is the metadata, and this metadata, here we are providing the name. The name is the power cloud hyphen port, means this port name is the power cloud hyphen port. And the next is specification, define the described state and behavior of the resources. In this specification, we will create a container. Container name is pc-httpd and the image is httpd. Let's go to status. What is status? Automatically populated by the Kubernetes, indicating the current state of the resources. Then let's understand how to write a Kubernetes manifest. In our kubectl server, first you have to create a file like pod.yaml file. Then after that, in this file we will write the Kubernetes manifest. We'll apply the this file. This is the typing mistake. Then we apply the this file. How to apply this file? By this command kubectl apply hyphen f and the file name. This is the typing mistake. It is ford.yaml, right? Then then we can check the whether our pod is created or not by this command kube get pods. You will get the output like this, the pod name with one by one running, right? One by one means the container is we are creating container inside the pod, that is one container. That's why one by one is running. Then if you want to know more details about the ports, then you will use this command kubectl get ports hyphen o white. If you want to describe your port, means all the details about the port, like apply this command like kubectl describe port and the name of the port. If you want to check the log of the port, then you can use kubectl log hyphen f and the port name. If you want to delete the port, then the command is kubectl delete port and the port name. Or instead of this command, we can use the command like kubectl delete hyphen f and the file name. Let's do the demo and see how to create the Kubernetes manifest. Let's go to our kubectl server. This is our kubectl server, and the previous class we have already installed the Kubernetes cluster using the Terraform. Let's check our nodes are running or not. For that, the command is kubectl get nodes. You can see there are two nodes are running, right? Then let's go and create our first manifest file. For that, you have to create one YAML file. So sudo vi code.yaml. Press enter, insert, and this is our file content. Copy this one and paste it here. The kind is code. We will create a port, and the API version is v1. The metadata means the port name is power cloud hyphen port. In specification, we will create a container. The container is the httpd, and the container name is pc-httpd. Let's save this file and apply. For apply, kubectl space apply hyphen f and the file name. Now you can see pod power cloud pod created, right? That means the pod is created. This is the pod created, and the name of the pod is power cloud pod. Let's check the pod whether it's running or not. For that, kubectl get pods, press enter. Now you can see the port name is power cloud hyphen port, and ready one by one, and its status is running. If you want to check the IP address of the port, then kubectl get ports hyphen o space white. Then you can see the IP address of the port and the timing when the container is created. This is the node. In this node, the port is created. Then if you will describe our port, then the command is kubectl describe port and the port name. This is our port name. Copy and paste it here. Press enter. Now we can see the all the details, more details about this port, like like the name of the port namespace. We are using the namespace default namespace, and the node where the port is created. In this node the port is created, and the labels, we are not mentioning any labels. And the IP address of the port is, this is the IP address of the port. And the image, which image is running inside the port, is the httpd image is running inside the port. We can see all the details by this command. And let's go check another command, that is the log. How to check the log? Kubectl log hyphen f and the port name. This is the port sorry, the port name is where is the port name? This is the port name. copy and paste it here. Paste it. Sorry, it's a typo error. It's a logs, not log, it's logs. Now you can see the this is the our log. Then if you want to delete this port, then the command is kubectl delete pod and the pod name. It will show the message pod power cloud deleted. If you will check the get ports, then it will show nothing. Kubectl get ports. See, no resources found. Let's go for label and selector. Kubernetes labels are key value pair attached to the object. Objects like pod, service, and deployment to identify the organized them. Means it's provide a identification to our phone. Suppose in our company, suppose let our company name is Power Cloud, and we want to know how many ports are running under the Power Cloud. Then we can easily filter out using the selector command. Labels are arbitrary and can be used to categorize the resources based on the various attributes. You can see this example here. The label is used under this metadata, and we are using this label. The label is environment. This is the key, and the value is QA. I have give a label to this port like QA environment, right? This port is under the QA environment. The only difference is label and selector is we provide the label in the port or services, but the selector means we filter out all those things from the labels. Selector are used to query and select the resources based on their label. The API currently support two type of label. One is equal based and another one is set based selector. Then benefit of label and selector. What is the benefit? Why we will use the selector and label? Flexibility. Label can be customized to fit your specific needs, allowing for dynamic resource groups. Organization. Labels helps in organizing and managing resources by different dimension or attributes. Filtering. Selectors provides a powerful way to filter and query the resources based on the label value. Targeting. Labels and selector enable the granular control over the resources targeting, such as deploying updates to a specific subsets. Let's understand how to give a label and what is the equal base selector. In previous slide, we have already understand how to give a label in a manifest file. Let's understand how to apply. After saving the manifest file, we will use the kubectl apply command. If you want to show our label, then the command is kubectl get ports show and labels. Now if you want to add a label to an existing port, then the command is kubectl label ports and the name of the ports and labels means the key and value. Suppose the key is env and the value is prod, then this label is automatically assigned to the this ports. Now if you want to list the port matching with the label, then the command is kubectl get ports -l and the selector, and this selector is equal based selector means you are using the this equal symbol, and these all are equal based selector because you are using this equal symbol here, and this is the not equal symbol here. Now if you want to, where def label is not present, then the command is kubectl get ports -l. L means the label, env not equal to def. It will show where the dev environment is not present. It will show all the nodes. Let's go to do the demo. Now I am in my kubectl server. Let's create a YAML file sudo vi label. I'm giving the name like label labels dot yml. Press enter, and this is the manifest for label. I'm copying this one and paste it here. Now you can see the kind is 4 and the API version is v1, and in the metadata section I have written the label. The label is environment is QA, and this is the content, and this is the HTTP image, right? Let's save the file. Now let's apply the file. For that, kubectl space apply -f and the file name. Press enter. You can see the pod is created, and the name of the pod is power cloud hyphen pod, right? And if you want to see the all the label in the pod, then the command is to see the all labels in pod, right? For the command is kubectl get pods hyphen hyphen show hyphen labels. Press enter. Now you can see this is our food, right? And one by one is ready, and the status is running, and this is the label, env equal to qa, right? Now if you want to add a label to an existing food, then the command is kubectl label and food, and then the port name. Our port name is, this is our port name. I'm copying it and paste it here, and then give a label, like I'm giving a label, name equal to, suppose I'm giving PC, right? Press enter. You can see in this port the label, it's now labeled, right? To check our label, for command is, this is our label. Check the all the labels command, right? Press enter. Now you can see we have give two labels, and now let's create a new port and see how to list out the load, right? For that I'm creating one uh, new port sudo vi. Let's give a name like label hyphen 1 yml. Press enter, insert, and copy this and paste it here, right? I am changing the port name, right? Let's change the port name to power cloud, PC power cloud, and here env equals to dev, right? In previous port, we have given the label is env equal to qa, and this port the label is env equal to dev, right? Let's save this, and let's apply kubectl apply hyphen f and the file name. This is our file name. Paste it, press enter. Now see, it's created, right? Let's check the code, number code kubectl get codes. You can see there are two codes, right? And for check the all labels, the command is kubectl space get codes hyphen hyphen show hyphen label. Press enter. You can see we have two port, and these are the level, right? So now let's list out the port matching a level. For that the command is kubectl space get port space hyphen L means the label, and I am giving env equal to prod, right? Sorry, equal to qa, right? Press enter. Now you can see only one port it's filtered out, right? We have see, you have two port, and this env equal to qa means this level, right? It's filter out this port, right? If I will change this to def, press enter, you can see only this port is filter out, right? If you want to list out where is our prod environment is not present, right? For that you are using the command like kubectl get ports hyphen L label env, right? Env, this is not equal to prod, right? And press enter. You can see there are two ports, means port in env equal to 4 I have not mentioned in any port, right? For that it's filter out two ports. Let's do once again the not equal to selector. For that I am giving here name is not equal to pc, right? Name is not equal to pc. Press enter. You can see this code is coming, right? Means you can see here name not equal to pc, right? uh, Here we have mentioned the label name equal to pc, so it's this code is not filter, and this code is filter out and give the result, right? If you want to delete a code on the basis of label and selector, the command is kubectl delete code hyphen L means the label, right? And env is not equal to, sorry, I'm giving name is not equal to pc, right? Press enter. You can see the pc port deleted, right? You can see here also the first it's filter out where is not written pc equal to, where is not written name equal to pc, right? So first it's filter out where is name is not equal to pc, right? You can see here in this port the label env, the label is not mentioned name equal to pc, so that's why this port is deleted, right? Now let's understand the set based selector. In this set based selector we are using the command like in and not in, right? To list out the port, here is the command kubectl get ports hyphen l, means this l means label, right? Env in dev or qa, right? Means it's a multi value selector, right? You can use here the multi value selector. Let's do the demo. I deleted this code, right, and create it's once again, but the command is this one, right? Press enter. Now you can see this code is created, right? So let's see the all the levels. For that the command is kubectl get course hyphen so hyphen level, right? Press enter. You can see there are two port and labels are env equal to dev for this port, and env equal to qa and name equal to pc for this port. Now use the set base selector. To use the set base selector, the command is kubectl get course hyphen L for the label. In the single quote, inside the single quote, you have to read in env in the bracket. We are using the multi-level selector, dev and QA, right? Press enter. You can see these two code are coming, right? Means where is the dev and QA is present, this code is listed out, right? Suppose you want to use the not in, so for that I'm using here not not in and giving some value like prod and pre-prod, right? Press enter. You can see again it's give two leads, again it's give two number of force, right? That means where is not written this label, it's filter out. We have not written in this code this label, right? So let's understand the label to node. Let's first understand where it's used. Suppose you want to deploy your code in a particular node, right? For that we have to first give a label to the node and mention in the manifest file that things, and when you apply it, it automatically deploy to the particular node, right? Let's do the demo. Create a manifest file, sudo vi node label dot yml, right? Press enter, and here is the manifest file. Copy this one, copy this one, and paste it here. Okay, you can see in the metadata section we have mentioned the label is env equal to qa, right? And inside the specification I have written node selector. I am using here the node selector. The name is power cloud. I am changing this one to suppose pc, right? The name is pc. That means which node is labeled as name is pc, it's the power cloud hyphen code. This code is automatically created in that particular node, right? Let's save this and apply kubectl. First let me label the node, right? For that see the how many nodes are present. Kubectl get nodes, you can see this. So let's label the our node. For the command is kubectl label node, and the node name I am taking, let me taking this node, second one, right? I am taking this node and paste it here and space, give a label, right? I am giving name equal to pc, right? Press it enter. Now you can see its label, node is labeled, right? And let's apply our manifest file kubectl apply hyphen f and the file name, this file name, paste and press enter. You can check, okay, this code is actually running, right? So that for that it's not create a new code. I am changing this name, right? Let's save this, press enter. Now apply it. You can see now the code is created, right? To check where this code is created, For that, the command is kubectl describe code and the name of the code, right? This is our name of the code. Press enter. Sorry. Okay. Delete this thing. Press enter. You can see all the details and see where the node is created. This is the node. In this node, this code is created, right? You can see I am selecting this node. Let's remember this number, right? 15158. I have labeled this node, right? Let's check where is this. Okay, just a minute. Now you can see kubectl label and 158. In this node, the code is created, right? You can see the label also. For that, to see all the level for the node, the command is kubectl get nodes hyphen l means the label means the label and name equals to pc, right? Press enter. You can see only this node is coming, right? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on Kubernetes and other cutting edge technology. Thank you for watching.